Hello everybody, here is one video I want to show you. Unfortunately, I forgot to turn on the camera when I initially done this. I disassembled this laser, as you can see. Here are the parts. So I will show you what I have done and how to disassemble. This is the PS1 laser unit. Okay, first of all, here needs to be some wheel drive, but I explain it later. Well, to disassemble the PS1 laser, first it's my recommendation to take this out stand. Okay, let's this put on by side for now. And now you have two options to move this part. And slowly move like this, it's enough, or here will be the end of the wheel, something like this, and you can push that and pull in that way, so it will free laser like now. You can move it. Okay, so first remove these two screws. Okay, the second one. I tried to change the laser on my PS1, and I found out that the laser I bought is, and after some checking I found out that this flat cable, I hope you can see, is broken here. So I replaced the whole flat cable and laser unit, but for now just pull easily, and that's it. Here goes the wheel drive I talking about. It's like this one by size, so you can pull it out and proceed pull this unit by the end, turn it out. You can see here the piece of plastic. Move that in that way, and then this will be out. Okay, so now you can lift this size and move out this part of the laser. Don't touch anything here, but this motor is fixed. It's fixed by these two little screws here and over here. So if you unscrew these two screws, the motor can be moved like that. Okay, so this is not the part of the story I want to show you. This is the part. I tried to pull it all back to show you how is before. On original lasers, here you have a screw need to be unscrewed, but here there is no screw. You can easily put on that side like this, and the another side like this, and gently move this in that way. Okay, so most people think this is the laser. No, this is just the lens. The laser is located here, and this is the true laser that generates the rail, laser rail, and this is put it here like this. Okay, I will try to find the place. This is all laser. Okay, now I will show you how to just a second. Okay, just a second. Yeah, here we go. This is glued on some point here and here and here. So be careful when you remove it. Okay, let's put this back how that's supposed to be. This goes like this, and solder it here. You can see goes solder it here, and like this. Wait a second. This part was here. Okay. Well, like this. I mean, I need the tweezers. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this was here. Stick it. You can see here a clip and hold in this. Okay, like this. Okay, the laser fell out, but here. And one more part. Okay, now I will show you this little thing. This little thing is a switch. When the laser came in this position here, so he puts something like, he stands like that, and the laser goes in, he knows where the end is. See? And that part goes here, like this. These two connections are soldered here and here. He goes like this. Here is the position. Okay? And this little part of flat is soldered here. So, oh, this fell out. Okay, not big deal. Pull this out. Firstly, you have these two clips, little clips here and here. Slowly pull this out, like this and like this, and then unsolder from this. Okay, so before unsolder this part, you have to remove these 3 screws. Now I will show you. Okay, let's remove this. Whoop. So I forgot to say, this laser unit, you see this, it's on this position. So if you don't want to unsolder this thing, get focus, please. Okay, if you don't want to unsolder this thing, you can easily, slowly, gently pull this out, and it will be soldered here. Remove this, solder this little switch, and now you can pull this all out. This was soldered here, like this. Okay, now you can unsolder this. It have 1, 2, 3, 4 contacts. Unsolder that, remove, slowly, and that's it. You removed the flat cable. One more thing. I put that. Where is it? Oh, here is it. You see this? It's placed here. Here. Like this. A little glued. Okay? And the is here. Okay, like this. Okay, so the laser beam sends the beam to this and then goes here. That's the reason why you can clean this part and not damage the laser. So that's the way the laser is working. If I'm wrong, please tell me. But I figure out that. I tried to find the video about this laser disassembling, but I didn't find on internet. So I made this one. Maybe somebody. Hopefully. Okay. And that's it. More or less. Nothing special, but just be patient and gently remove all this. Okay, we can say this is connector with motherboard, and here is the for how to say, resistance, for resistance change. When your laser get weak, you can give a little more life to your PlayStation to adjust the resistance with this screw. You can measure between, I hope you can see, these two contacts or this and these contacts. The lower resistance, the higher current. The higher current, the laser beam will be stronger. So be careful. Find on internet. I don't want to say you any values for this because I'm not sure. But I think you can adjust between 600 and 1200 ohms. The new laser will be about 1000 ohms. But check on the internet. That's it. Thank you for your time. If If you like the video, please click like. If you want to follow my work, please subscribe to my channel, and see you some next video. Bye bye.